Okay, legends, listen up. We've got like 14 minutes here, and I'm getting clapped like nobody's business. This straight up Hunger Games arena is about to open, and I'm that 10th district noob who gets absolutely deleted like, what, 5 seconds after the cannons fire. Yeah, that boy is me, guys. Is that too dramatic? Yeah, that sounds a little dramatic, but no, I'm serious, guys. I'm flipping dead. Holy crap! Let's just pop that tutorial-ish again, real quick. Make sure I'm doing this garbo right.
Probably gonna have a couple
Wow.
of different pages. So
Gotta love that audio
you're
there.
looking for, use those arrows to check the second or third page.
This is insightful stuff, guys. Pay attention.
Hey guys, AP Computer Science is with Bowman, right?
Ways to
Yeah, it
filter
is.
this in order to find.
Are you taking that turn?
I wanted to, but I don't have room.
Dang, dude.
You really don't have room?
Yeah, bro. Isn't that 7th period?
B7, yeah.
Bro, I gotta cop Spanish then.
Oh, really?
Bro, just take it. Take it senior year, dude.
Wait, what? Take computer science senior year?
No, the freaking Spanish.
Pero necesito tomar español AP senior year.
Ugh, gross.
Yeah, well, there's this mad cute girl in there too, so I'm good. I'm friggin' screwed, boys. I don't know how to do any of this ish, and now I'm thinking to swap chemistry and. So, like, is Adamson or Beckstead better?
For what class? Or no, I could take Japanese 2 and 3 at the same time.
Okay, but, like, you'd freaking die. You know what, boys? I think I'm just gonna roll with it.
What do you got?
Thing is, there is no teacher for this one. They don't have one yet. Okay, I'm watching the clock on my phone. Boys, we have 1 minute.
Like exactly 1 minute.
We have exactly 1 minute.
Yeah, this is rough, guys. I'm just gonna be spam refreshing this page right here and hoping that the portal actually shows up on time, cause oh, I have no idea. Like, guys, I'm shaking right now.
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Legends, here's the final game plan. I gotta nab this class faster than Sonic the Hedgehog can nab a chili dog, and then I'm straight blasting through my schedule with the classes predicated upon how badly I want them and how quickly I think they'll fill up. Boys, we're gonna be good. We're gonna be solid.
15 seconds.
Alright, we got this, boys. We got this.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
What?
4,
Wait, where's Jared?
3, 2, 1. Refresh the page.
Friggin' ad. Holy. Hey, Nillas, I'm in land. Let's do this ish. Let's go. McMurray. Easy bucks. We're in. Hurry! Hurry!
Yeah. Yep.
Oh my goodness, dog, be quiet. Ooh. I'm so fast. I'm so freaking dang fast. Let's go. I am speed. Snap, what was next? Yes, seminary. Friggin' heck yeah, boys, we're done. We are done. Look at this ish. Wait. Oh, I'm retarded. Okay, we're done, boys. We're done. Holy crap. Yes, let's go. I am literally Lightning McQueen, boys. Heck yeah. Ooh. Saucy. Ladies and gentlemen, I have created the best worst schedule of all time, and I did it in 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Good job. Good job, Jared.
Thanks, dude. I appreciate it. Now, let's watch as all the freshmen sign up and totally destroy my speedrun time. But, whatever. I'm proud.